We started this day with a train ride from Ella to Nuwara Eliya. We purchased the tickets online a month in advance, however we could have bought them locally. We passed by banana plants, rice fields and a lot of cultivated land. This was our breakfast prepared by our hosts from the other day's accommodation, but unfortunately we forgot to ask its name. As we got closer to Nuwara Eliya, the number of the tea plantations has increased. This is a tradition on the train, so of course I had to try it out. Sometimes we even saw local farmers who waved to us. After arriving to Nuwara Eliya, our first stop was the Gregory Lake, where we ran into an old-timer car parade. We bought our tickets at the ticket office and entered the park, where we have a lot of activities to choose from. We can take a walk around the lake, we can do horse riding or try out some water sports like paddle boarding. The lake was created in 1873 and during the British times it was used for recreational activities. We took a break to eat our lunch and in the meantime we saw a few people jet skiing on the lake. There are a lot of beautiful flowers in the park and we can also see some cool figures cut out of the canopy of the trees. There are a few Disney figures and with them we can take photos if we want to. Next up for today was the single tree Buddhist temple, which is located at 2,100 meters above sea level. It is open throughout the week, and if you are lucky, you can encounter local monks. After the temple, we visited the local central market. We also had a look on the post office building, which was constructed in 1815 by the British. The Tudor-style 3-story red brick building is considered the oldest post office in Sri Lanka. We also visited the Damro tea plantation and factory in Nuwara Eliya. Damro Group is a Sri Lankan family-owned company which manages 40 estates in 22,000 hectares, and it is focused on the cultivation and the production of tea, rubber and oil palm. We participated in an about 15 minutes long guided tour where our lovely tour guide introduced us to the secrets of the tea making. These are all the varieties of teas that we can buy at the factory. We also had the chance to try out 3 of the tea types along with some sweets made with tea. After a 30-minute drive, we took a break to see and swim in the Ramboda Falls. The Ramboda Falls are more than 100 meters high, and it is the 11th tallest waterfall in Sri Lanka. As the weather was scorching hot, we put our feet into the water. After enjoying the cool water, we had to go back to our car as we had tickets to a local dance show in Kandy. We booked our tickets online and managed to purchase pretty good seats in the front row so we could enjoy the local dances. We could also see people walking on fire and had the chance to take pictures with them. After the show, we also took a walk around the Kandy Lake and went into the Temple of the Sacred Tooth of Buddha, which is located in the Royal Palace complex. There was a ceremony held in the temple while we were there, so we could feel a special atmosphere. Since the ancient times, the relic has played an important role in politics, as it is believed that whoever holds the relic holds the governance of the country. Our accommodation for tonight was at Goddess Kandy, where we also spent one night.